Hi everyone, this is Sam over at PCH Custom Audio and Online Car Stereo. Today we're going to be talking about the Kicker DS line, and here we have a two-way coaxial system. This is the 43DSC6504. We love these speaker systems. Here at PCH Custom Audio, we are a retail store, so we get to do the install on cars with these speakers. The great thing about this speaker that it holds an amazing 60 RMS power handling. Now, for you guys that are checking us out online, you guys are probably wondering, well, I'm going to buy this online. How easy is this to install? Well, the DS line is catering for all those DIYs. So what you can do is with this speaker system is very slim, so it's very easy to mount in pretty much every application out there. They sound very good just out of factory replacement using the factory deck. They sound very nice with an aftermarket head unit, and believe it or not, they still sound very well with a nice 4-channel amplifier. Get yours today at onlinecarstereo.com.